giggle.
Let's play with shapes. Today we'll learn them as we play.
Circle, square, and triangle too. Come and sing, just me and you.
A circle spins around and round like a ball upon the ground. It has no corners, no sharp ends, so easy and fun to pretend.
A square is friendly and neat. Four same sides and corners meet. Like a window or a box. Straight and solid like toy blocks.
Three sides make a triangle, like a mountain's tall angle. One point up and two below, that's a shape we all now know.
Rectangles long and wide, like a book laid on its side. Two sides short and two are long. It's the shape of doors all along.
Stars are shining in the night, twinkling softly, oh so bright. Five sharp points that shine above, stars are shapes we really love.
An oval looks like a circle too, but stretched out like a big balloon. Like an egg that's softly drawn, it rolls around from dusk to dawn.
A hexagon has corners 6, nature's honeycomb magic tricks. Bees all love this special form, in nature it's a perfect norm.
A diamond sparkles in the sky, pointed ends that reach up high. Looks like a kite when it's in air, such a shape is bright and fair.
Circle, square, triangle too. Rectangle and star for you. Oval, hexagon, diamond bright. Shapes are fun and feel just right.